To now use the parametric EQ on the snare, you see how much more effect I can have on a specific sound. Say I don't really like this one little ringing sound that I hear, and I want to take it out. Just that sound. The parametric on a snare for that purpose is great. I can just zero in on it like this. I like to increase the level when I'm using a small cue. It's called pinging, sort of like making the sound ping or ring. And I'm going to slowly turn it. And you hear that? You hear how it's like all of a sudden just very, very overwhelmingly loud. And you'll hear that pinging, that ringing sound. So now you've zoned in on that frequency that you want to affect. So now just bring it down in level. You can do that two ways. You can just slide it down, or you can type in the number. Let's say minus 24 decibels, which is a lot of level. And now that pinging goes away. If you want to increase the amount of that, just widen the cue like this.